A shocking video has emerged from Uttar Pradesh where a body of a COVID patient is being seen thrown in a river. You see in that video, caught on camera literally, you see two men in the PPE suits pick up a COVID patient's body and just roll it over the bridge in the river. This is River Ganga, we are told. Now, this emerges where reports have been surfacing from Uttar Pradesh where thousands of bodies had been buried in shallow graves by the Ganga or even thrown in the river, made headlines around the world a couple of weeks ago. This incident was shot by a couple of people who are driving by the spot in Balampur district on the 28th of May. On camera, two men, one of them in PPE suit, are seen lifting a body on the bridge over the river. This is River Rapti, not Ganga but Rapti. The man in the PPE suit can be seen tinkering with the body, probably trying to get it out of the body bag as well.
दिनांक 25 मई को इनको भर्ती किया गया। दिनांक 28 मई को इनकी मृत्यु हो गई। शव को कोविड प्रोटोकॉल के तहत इनके रिश्तेदारों को सुपुर्द कर दिया गया था। अंत्येष्टि स्थल पर इनके रिश्तेदारों द्वारा उसको प्राप्त किया गया था। वीडियो के संदर्भ में प्रथम दृष्टया यह बात प्रकाश में आ रही है कि इनके परिजनों द्वारा शव को नदी में गिरा दिया गया है। इस संदर्भ में अभियोग पंजीकृत करा दिया गया है। शेष कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Alok Pandey joins us on the phone line for more on this. Alok, could you describe to us how this video surfaced and what more does it tell us?
Well, so this video was actually shot by some people in a car, as is evident from watching it. And they were passing by the area when they saw this happening, so they slowed down their car. It was raining. And they made a mobile video, which they then, of course, put on social media, including WhatsApp groups, etc. So this finally reached the government, and like the chief medical officer was saying, they conducted an inquiry and they realized that this indeed was the body of a COVID patient, and he had died on the 28th. And he was from an adjoining district called Siddharth Nagar, and he had been admitted to a hospital in Balrampur. And as the CMO says, that's the government version, that they had actually followed COVID protocol and handed over the body to the relatives of this person who died. The CMO also names him, but I think it would not be right to name the person just because, you know, there is so much indignity and nobody deserves this, even in death. And yet something like this has happened, and now they are saying they will take action against the relatives. The larger story, of course, has been this entire story about bodies turning up either in rivers in UP, particularly the Ganga, or being buried in shallow graves by the Ganga river. This, I think, is the first instance where I recall that body was thrown to another river, but one doesn't know there are so many rivers crisscrossing a huge area like Uttar Pradesh. And the focus has been on the Ganga, but then incidents like these are very shocking. And one hopes that people will be more sensitive and they will not do things like these. And again, like I said, and like you said, a very shocking video there.